we go to France, we don't eat turkey because it's too expensive.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Have you got everything you need?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I thought you would get pictures of food, but I'm going to have to take a picture of this.
Yeah, yeah.
I was going to have fish and chips, but I had fish and chips on Wednesday night.
It's got all sorts, it's got little dip there for some, whatever that may be.
Do you want a chip?
Just quite. It's just all about this place here. What's right?
No. I wouldn't bang you much on that.
Quite good at it.
Oh, they have road rallies around here then.
I'm not sure. I think they probably do, yeah. They take up a lot of road rallies around here.
Like horse-line motorsport in motorsport.
Can I get food if you know what you want?
We found a Womble wandering round.
Has that man ordered? No. Okay, he's in It was guaranteed.
Egg or pineapple?
Egg, please. And chips. Is that what you always have? Yeah.
Every time.
It's called the Gadget Gammon Gauge.
Hi, Womble.
Hello. It's lovely and warm by the fire.
Yeah, that's
Dog's already tried to pick a fight with the other dog in there.
Oh. Or even from an easy little basket.
well, I know she likes
He's,
that.
oh, no,
Oh, is he out now?
yeah, no, he's in his basket.
Oh.
Stay in there.
You want ham or scampi?
He can reach the chips from there.
Yeah, he'll be happy with it. He's got the best spot in the pub, I think, there.
Right by the fire.
So Kevin, just worked out your dog's in.
I had a beautiful meal. What I had a triple burger. It was lamb, beef and pork. 3 separate burgers. They weren't very big burgers, but they were more of a meatball inside them. And they were nice. Didn't like the bread rolls with them though, because they were like a panini bread. It was alright. It was 13 quid. Oh, I can't steal the trolley now. There you go. When we get down in this little narrow lane, boy, you can get out and walk. He played up because he was busting for a pee. Run here, boy. Hey, hey. Don't worry about it. I know he's dead. Hey. I just love it. It's nice big, well, they're concrete posts. The walls always look as if they're about to fall down in about another 200 years. Totally higgledy-piggledy. That's jutting out. There you go. Hey, you can get out and have a pee now, can't you? Hmm? A pee? Dubs? You want to pee? You want to pee? Oh, up you come, up, and down. There you go. Right. That's it. Can't even cock his leg anymore. Good boy. Did you have a pee? Hey, did you have a pee? way. Oh. You can hold on to that hand. This way. Come on in. Come on, boy. Where has he gone? Come on in. Now he's hanging back. Come on. Come on. Keep going. He's just going around in circles. Come on. There. Now we've got a spring in it. At this speed it takes about an hour to walk that mile, boy. Well, I'd given him chips in the pub. He ate the chips, and then I gave him a piece of the burger, and then I gave him another chip, and he wouldn't eat the chip. Just wanted the burger. And yeah, I'll just lift you above the wall because the wall is quite high. Just look at the houses. There's the sun on them. That's brilliant. I see the whole village there. Extension. Oh, I can't quite see. Yeah. Windy. Few lamps in there. Dalesbridge campsite. This is where we're stopping. I'll do a video on the way in. One of the birds. He starts to play up. Yeah. So I've decided to walk around the site as well, doing a vlog on it. So when I get back it'll be my afternoon siesta time, I suppose. Yeah. I don't think, I might have to visit one of these, I think, first. Right. I think we're far enough past the wall now so I can hear you out. Ooh. Go on then. Steady. Steady. He'll run around like as if there's nothing wrong with him. Hey! Oh, that's it, he fell over. Ready? That's it, back legs are gone. Ready? He's going again. He is getting worse. The moment he tells me that he's in pain, then I will do something about it. I'm not heartless. Hey, come on, this way, boy. Hey, Stumps. Hey. Come on. Go on, that way. Go on. Come on. This way. Stumps. Come on in. This way. Come on, move. That's it. Good boy. Hey. Come on.
I've got Ronnie and Reggie. Did I say it was freezing? Don't even see that. It is